Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Para lang maengganyo ang tanan nga mapabakuna, gusto ko lang hambalon nga unang-una hindi ka mo mahadlok sa safety sang vaccines. The vaccines that are available now, especially here in the Philippines, have undergone rigorous studies in relation to their safeties. I'm pretty sure hindi magpasugot ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas nga what we call this nga mag-mass rollout ng vaccines if nakita nga may possible safety concerns in relation to these vaccines. So first and foremost, hindi ka mamahadlok kay safe ang vaccines. Kadua, kung gadoubt ka mo in terms of kung paano ginobra ang vaccines nga akadasi, don't be scared why napakabilis na na-produce or na-formulate ang mga vaccines na ini. Reason being is that these vaccines were developed through cooperative science. A lot of scientists across the globe have been sharing all the information that they have been getting in order for us to come up with better solutions, including vaccines, for the fight against COVID-19. And then finally, when you talk about, or kung gaduwa-duwa ka muna about the efficiency or efficacy of the vaccines, parang nga mapabakuna kung hindi man siya efficient. Real-world studies, again, have shown nga epektibo ang mga bakuna. Irrespective or bisan ano pa na nga brands ng bakuna, nakita naton sa examples across the globe that vaccines have been shown to greatly reduce the occurrence of severe COVID-19. It has also been shown to prevent deaths because of COVID-19. So, kung palanggaan nyo ang pamilya nyo, kung palanggaan nyo ang friends nyo, palanggaan nyo ang Pilipinas, ang Pungsod, and our community, I encourage you that the best thing, the most patriotic thing that you could do right now is to get vaccinated. I've been explaining this even to my staff initially who were hesitant to get the vaccine kay balaan mo taga-UP kami, di ba? So parang ang tendency is that okay, Pilipinas first, or ipaglaban natin ang what they call this national patrimony ng Pilipinas, and hesitant bakit tayo tatanggap ng vaccine galing sa China. You have to weigh out the benefits. The benefits for the Philippines of accepting a vaccine from China are much higher than your personal stand na parang hindi ako magpasugot or hindi ako tatanggap ng anything from China. So mga amo na butang na if you put the community first, if you put your family first, if you put the Philippines first, kung tunay ka na makabayan, you will get vaccinated because that is the only way for the Philippines to actually control the virus, irrespective kung alpha, beta, delta, or kung ano man nga variant nila.